Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Ira Ramadhani. I want to present material about software and operating system, then hardware. First, I want to discuss software and operating system. What is software? Software is a collection of instructions executed by a computer. It has no physical form and is essential to operate the hardware. Types of software. Types of software are divided into three, namely: 1. System software, responsible for managing hardware resources and providing a platform for other software to run. 2. Application software, as directory by user to perform specific tasks such as switching document, editing image, or browsing the internet. These programs are typically designed to be user-friendly and task-specific. 3. Programming software, as by programmers or developed to read, test, and develop other software. This software is more technical and not intended for general user, but to building system and application. Software components. Component software is divided into three, namely: 1. Operating system. The operating system is the most fundamental component of the software system. The operating system is responsible for the management of computer resources such as memory, processing, and data resources. Some examples of well-known operating systems are Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. 2. Divide drivers. A hardware driver is software that allows communication between the operating system and the hardware connected to the computer. This the type of software works to control the device and peripherals connected to the computer. Example of device driver that are widely used by technology users are USB, keyboard, headphones, and printer. 3. System utilities. System utilities are a collection of software designed to help with the management and maintenance of computers. System utilities help ensure optimal performance and system safety. This includes programs such as antivirus, disk development, task manager, startup optimizer, and more. Software function 1. Provide essential function of the computer such as the availability of the operating system and computer support system in order to operate. 2. Manage every hardware on your computer so that it can work at the same time. 3. Identify programs on the computer. 4. As a link between some software and hardware on the computer. 5. As a translator into machine language so that the hardware can understand two commands sent by the user. What is operating system? An operating system is a collection of software that can manage hardware resources and provide service for computer application programs and the most important components of a computer software system. Types of operating system. Types of operating system are divided into four, namely 1. System user, system text. One computer can only be used by one user and can only run one program at a time. An example is DOS operating system. 2. Multi-user at single tasking. A single computer can be used by multiple users, but each user can only run one program at a time. An example is novel network-based. 3. Single-user multitasking. A single computer can only be used by one user but can run several programs at the same time. Examples are Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. 4. Multi-user multitasking. A single computer can be used by multiple users, and each user can run several programs at the same time. Examples are Unix, Solaris, and FreeBSD. Operating system function. 1. Running basic operation. 2. Setting up the hardware. 3. Setting up a wide variety of apps. 4. To present a view. 5. For computer device coordination. 6. For optimal computer function. Kind of operating system: Android operating system, Microsoft Windows operating system, Mac OS operating system, Apple operating system, Linux operating system, Windows Phone operating system. Relationship between software and the operating system. Software and the operating system are interdependent. The OS acts as a bridge between application software and hardware. Applications cannot function without the OS because the OS provides access to hardware resources like the CPU, memory, and storage. For example, when saving a file in Microsoft Word, there's the OS that handles the process. The OS manages multi-type programs at once, preventing conflicts. All commands from software to hardware must go through the OS. Insert software gives instructions, and the OS ensures those instructions are carried out efficiently and safely. Next, I want to discuss hardware. Computer hardware means the physical component of a computer system. Think of the bits you can touch. How hardware works? Hardware works are divided into three, namely 1. Basic input instruction. Instruction that can provide information to software. In this case, the operating system using a driver intermediary. 2. Basic process instruction. These instructions function as intermediaries between input and output process. These instructions only occur in hardware, not the computer system as a whole. 3. Basic output instruction are instructions that occur when there is a command to push the hardware from the user. Hardware function. 1. Providing output. providing output to the user after the input processing process is carried out. 2. Receiving input. In addition to providing output, hardware also receives input sent by the user. 3. Storing information and data. Hardware is a hardware device that has the function of storing output data. Usually, the output will be stored in a computer storage device. 4. Processing information and data. Processing data which then becomes new information that is useful so that it can be understood by humans. Hardware features are divided into four, namely: 1. Has a physical form. One of the difference between software and hardware is its form. Software can only be seen in appearance but doesn't have a physical form, while hardware has a physical form that can be seen and felt. 2. General hardware. Some examples of hardware are keyboards, printers, scanner, and other hard devices. 3. Located on the outside of the computer. Most hardware is on the outside of the computer. However, not all of them. Some of them are inside the computer. For example, RAM and CPU. 4. Connection media between user and software. Hardware is a device that is useful for connection user and software, which will receive input and then provide output to the user. Example of hardware processing is CPU, memory is ROM, RAM, HDD, SSD, USB. Output projector, handphone, earphone, printer. Input is keyboard, monitor, and others. Hardware process is a device that is useful for processing data and processing it on a computer. This device can be called the brain of the computer because it performs important processing on the input data. Example: CPU. Storage hardware is a component where data is stored that is classified as a memory device. The device is divided into primary and secondary memory. Example of storage hardware: primary memory encodes DRAM, SRAM, and ROM. Secondary memory include hard disk drives or HDD, solid state disk drives or SSD, optical disks, flash disks, and external disk drivers. Hardware output. Hardware components that distribute and display data or information are included in the category of output hardware. This type of hardware has two types, namely copy and hard copy. Example of output hardware. Soft copy output is hardware that products visual displays, second or networks, such as projection display, interaction smartboard, handphones, and earphones, Ethernet cables, flash drivers, and external drivers or optical drivers. Hard copy output is hardware that produces something in a real physical form, such as the metric printers, 3D printers, inkjet printers, laserjet printers, and thermal printers. Input hardware is a type of hardware components as to enter raw data and is categorized as a input device. Example of input hardware: points device, mouse, touchpad, touchscreen, multi-touchscreens, input pen, motion sensor, graphics tables, interactive smartboard, and fingerprint scanner. Audio input device, microphone, and MIDI keyboard, Bluetooth peripheral, keyboard, mouse, handset, gamepad, or printer with Bluetooth, visual and image device, webcam, digital camera, digital camcorder, biometric scanner, and barcode readers. Network device, internet hardware, and Bluetooth or wireless hardware. That's all for my presentation. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bye 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 to the tears we cried. Bye 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 to the times we lied. Bye 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 to the fights at night.